Now this thing isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a cleaning powerhouse with serious brains, and right now it's $500 off for just a limited time. Usually the retail price is $1,599.99, but during the July 7th to July 11th window, you can get the D-Bot X9 Pro Omni for just $1,099.99. That's 31% off, $500 saved off of a top-tier cleaning system. Now, as we've come to expect with Ecovacs, the build quality of the robot and the Omni docking station is incredibly high. But what I loved about this system, the X9 Omni, was the fact that there were, for me, a number of firsts that I've not seen before. The True Edge 2.0 extending mop is just an incredibly clever system to get into the very edges to make sure that nothing goes unmissed. And that Osmo roller isn't your average mop. It's self-washing and it's applying 3,700 pascals of mopping pressure, spinning at 220 revs per minute. Now this wipes out stains and leaves floors streak-free. But the real game changer for me is the triple lift system. This system lifts the mop for carpets, elevates the brush for spills, and boosts suction for large debris areas, all while keeping dry and wet cleaning totally separate. And this means that even if you have rugs down, the robot vacuum will notice those and lift the mop accordingly. It's so clever. Blast technology is boosted large airflow suction technology, and this pushes 16.3 litres of airflow per second and delivers 16,600 pascals of raw suction power. So this makes it a really efficient cleaning machine. Within the easy-to-operate app, you've got full control of your robot vacuum. You can choose how many times you want it to repeat an area, or whether you just want it to go from room to room. You can even order the rooms in which it goes to. One thing that you'll probably notice this year is how small the Omni docking station is. It really is pretty compact. But in there, your detergent vessel, the dust bag, and also your dirty water tank and clean water tanks. It's quite remarkable. And so when all your cleaning is done and the robot has docked in the Omni station, you'll now get temperature-controlled mop washing and 63-degree centigrade hot air drying. It's hygienic, it's effortless, and it's ready for the job. So my friends, the X9 Pro Omni, a smart, powerful, and for a limited time, $500 off. Now this is the future of dry and wet cleaning, but are you going to join the party? I definitely think you ought to. This is one of my favorite gadgets in the house. I use it every single day, and I find that you just don't have to think about the cleaning system anymore. So if I was you, I would check the link in the description and get yourself a bargain this summer.